Good evening, traders. Welcome to BCR's Market Wrap-Up, where we take a look at key moments in the financial market. Let's take a closer look at the US dollar. Despite the sharp rise in US Treasury yields, the US dollar remains under pressure, with its traditional safe haven appeal being broadly challenged, whether it's safe haven currencies like the yen and the Swiss franc, or cyclical currencies like the Australian and Canadian dollars. Market sentiment has shifted significantly. If this trend continues, dollar long positions may face extended unwinding, especially in pairs like USD JPY and USD CAD, where bearish patterns have started to emerge. Next is WTI crude oil. As tariffs talks continue to dominate the headlines, market fundamentals remain underappreciated. The recent rebound in oil prices was driven primarily by geopolitical developments, with the market reacting quickly to Trump's announcements of a pause in tariffs on most countries, but an escalation of measures against China. However, concerns about global oil demand remain, especially amid growing trade frictions. Brent crude forward prices reflect an ample supply market, but demand is expected to weaken due to rising protectionism and a larger than expected increase in OPEC Plus production. In addition, Asia's March inflation data came in lower than expected, suggesting that economic growth was already weak even before the full impact of the new tariffs was felt. And finally, gold. Gold's return to record highs isn't driven by the usual suspects like inflation, the dollar, or recession fears, but by uncertainty around Trump's next move. His unpredictable actions, especially around tariffs, have fueled demand for gold as a safe haven. While a 90-day reprieve offered some relief, Asia still faces higher tariffs, pushing investors towards gold amid global tensions. As the World Gold Council noted, the environment remains supportive for further price gains. Gold ETFs saw $8.6 billion in inflows in March alone, bringing Q1 inflows to $21 billion, highlighting deep concern over the escalating US-Asia tariff war.